Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here by Nordic Lifting. It is a vibrating foam roller. So we're gonna give this thing a try and see how it works. Let's see if I can open this up. There we go. This Nordic Lifting. Let's get this out of here. Okay. Let's see what's in the bottom of the box here. Okay. So we have a thank you for letting us be a part of your fitness journey. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, so here is our vibrating foam roller for deep tissue stimulation. The way I know how to open this one up is to do this. I think it's going to slide out right easy. There we go. So this is it here. So it looks like a fairly traditional hard foam roller. Let's see what's in here. Probably charging apparatus, yes. So it comes with a USB to USB-C plug, and it also comes with the little nugget deal. So that's nice that it comes with that. I'll put these here. If I don't get rid of everything immediately, my dog will get it. Okay, so on the side here we have a power button, a little battery indicator, and the input for the USB-C. You can see all that right there, so that's where we'll charge it and stuff. So let's just check this out here. So the instruction manual here. So kind of explains how to keep it clean, and let's see here, using it. It's got a couple of different exercises you could do on there as well. So let's see, I'll put that there. So let's just try this here. If I push the button, it turns it on. Push the button a second time, it starts vibrating. Third time, it's a little faster. It's lighting up these little lights as it goes. There, it's even faster. Wow, there it's super vibrating, and there it's ridiculously fast vibrating. Okay, so let's just see if we wanted to do like this number 2, so we can use this as a vibrating roller. So let's see if I put it down here. You can see it's kind of shaking around. See, that's what I thought. So let's see. So hopefully it'll give me a little bit better feel on my back. So let's see if I want to do a little back roll. I could just do this. Oh, actually with the vibration, it does make it feel better. I've never even thought about having a vibrating roller. Feels pretty good. Wow, that is nice. And this is it's a hard foam roller. This is not one of the soft ones. Let me just turn it off for a second. There, so there it's off. And then so, I just don't know if it's making noise or not. But then you could do it as a traditional roller and roll out some of the muscles on there as well. So that could be good. It could be good for me after I run and my butt's hurting and stuff. But to roll it here. So you've got this middle section, and then you've got this little spiky section. I guess my butt doesn't have a whole lot of sensitivity to even tell the difference on there, but I'm probably my arms. Yeah, if I'm rolling on my arms, I would totally feel the difference between the spikes and the softer side. So this is it's a nice foam roller to start with, and it's not too heavy or anything. It's got a good size weight. It feels like just a traditional regular foam roller, but then you have that extra ability to have the vibrations going on. So super cool. It's really neat. I like that. So a very nice foam roller, and it's got everything you need. So this is going in my stretching kit. So as I stretch and stuff, I'll be able to use, I didn't even have any foam roller, so now I have a foam roller and it vibrates as well. Thumbs up for sure, very cool.